Hi, welcome to my quilling tutorial. Okay, today I'll be showing you how to make this quilling flower using this quilling board, or some call it the wire jig board, because it seems that you can make wire jewelry with this. You know, I've never tried that before. Maybe someday I'll try it, inshallah. And I'm also using this quilling crimper to make the texture on each quilling strip. Okay, I love it. I just love how it looks, you know. I just bought these two new tools last month. I'll give you a short demo of how to do it. Here, just put quilling strip like that and then just turn. See? It's very easy. And that is how you get the texture like that. I love it. I really do. So I've already made in advance 4 of these. I'll for each petal you would need about 3 colors, 3 different colors, but you can do all the same color if you like. But for this flower I'm using 3 different colors, but there are 4 strips because for the dark for the orange color I'm using 2 strips of orange color. So it's one soft yellow, 1 strip of soft yellow, 1 strip of yellow ochre, and 2 strips of the orange. So I've already joined them up. Okay, let's get started. The measurement for each quilling strip, each of my quilling strip is 3 mm. The width is 3 mm and the length is 297 mm. Okay, usually I use this measurement. Hold on a minute. So the first thing to do is, as you can see here, it looks like I don't know whether I can focus on it. There's a slot here for you to put in the quilling strip, and in here, I'll show you a lot of this metal stuff. I don't know what they call it, but you can take it out and put it back in there like that. So you need this to make the flower. Okay, just so the first thing is you bend the paper like that. Yeah, so you put a bit of glue there, then put it in the slot like that. Okay, you need the tweezer here to hold that part. Like that. Okay, so that's the starting point, and you will need a few of this. Right, can you see clearly? Maybe I need to put this on like that. That's more like it. So every time you make a loop, you need to put some glue on here. Okay, put the glue, and then you put this thing there. See, I want you to see, like, this is where the starting point here, and then you can see the holes so that you remember where to insert the pins in. Okay, and then just watch how I do it. I'm not that good in explaining anyways. Okay. Takes a pretty long time just to make one petal, you know. But I really love how it looks, so I'm willing to take the trouble to do this. Alright, I think, okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, I need more glue. Hold on a minute. Now, we have to put glue all over this area here. Just a little, not too much. Okay, now we go wrap the whole thing. The wrapping takes a long time. Almost done, just a little bit more. One last round. Takes forever. Okay. Cut that part. Alrighty. Ta-da! Alright. How do you take it out? This one here, you lift it up, and at the same time using a tweezer, try to lift this part and this part up. So all of the pins will come out. Some, not all. Right, put that down. Away. Okay. Now, where is it? You need to make this center. This one here. You have to make this one first. So to make this one, you need 2 strips of the soft yellow, and then you join the 2 together. You roll it up to make a coil. Just make a coil. You don't even have to measure it or anything. Don't have to use the quilling template for that. Just join the 2 together like that. Then take your quilling tool, just make a simple coil. Okay, like that, just like just a simple coil. And then, okay, I want to show you this. This is actually the bottom part of a mineral bottle. I cut the bottom part so that I can, you know, put this thing here. Yay! This is how I do that. Alright, but first, before I put the petals onto this plastic thing, I join them up first. Okay, so hold on, I need more glue. Okay, you join them up. wait for a few seconds. Hold that position for a few seconds. And then, I hope this works this time. Okay. Slowly, you're gonna lift this thing and put onto this thing. Make sure the center part here is aligned with this thing, because that's where we're gonna put the coil. Okay, slowly. Shaking. Okay. Centered. And then I put some glue. This is just how I do it, you know. People have been asking me how I do it. So you can do it your own way if you find your way is easier. Alright. Then you put it at the center. Make sure it's really at the center. And then you press slowly. Press. And wait for a few seconds. And at this point you can put bling bling, the pearls in the middle. There's a sticker actually here, but if you want you can put some extra glue. A really strong glue. Okay. And usually I would just leave it like this until it's completely dry. Okay. So that's how you make this flower. I hope you will give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun quilling, guys. Bye.